And welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove P2P restriction on Binance. First, open your Binance application. Binance is a trading platform where you can trade money and cryptocurrencies. Now, go to the top right corner and click on the Help Center icon. Scroll down to the Self-Service section and look for the P2P restriction option. If you don't see it there, scroll further down and click on Get Support. In the Support section, search for P2P restriction and click on the related query. Binance will provide you the reason why your P2P account is restricted along with the step to fix the issue. If the problem still not resolved, you can directly chat with a Binance support agent to get it fixed. That's how you can remove P2P restriction on Binance. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.